In this training video, we are going to go over how to find prospects, which is very important, particularly if you don't like to cold call in person, calling on one business or another in your town. And in this particular case, you don't have to, because you can contact these niche businesses in every city in the United States or the world as that goes. So there are many different scrapers out there. This happens to be one. It's called Yellow Pages Spider, and it is made by a company called Touche Software, Touche software.com. It'll be in the resource section. It's not the best scraper, but it's for the money, I believe it's the best. We're going to have a couple other ones in there. Of course, there's Yellowbot, which I have, and Power Leads Pro X, which is excellent. It does a lot more than just scrape yellow pages, but it is a lot more expensive also. So we're just going to go over this one because it's simple, it's pretty inexpensive, and it works pretty good. So when you get the full version of the software, this is the way it'll set up, and you can select any country you want. They've got a lot of countries now in here, but we're with the US. In here you would type your niche. You just start typing the niche and it'll show you the exact category. You just click on it. In this case we're going to try roofing contractors, and you can type in any city, start typing, and it'll bring the city up in the state, and you click on this search button, which I've already done, and the results came up here. 211 roofing contractors in Little Rock, Arkansas. So this is the way it pulls the data. It's straight from Yellow Pages, exactly how it would look in Yellow Pages. It shows you the ones that have the premier ads at the top, and then the ones that don't have an ad going down. So then to get the data into a database which you can use, you'll need to go to the top here and click on Get Data. And you can use a proxy or not use a proxy. I am not using a proxy right now. And you can see the data coming in. It will keep running until it finds 211 roofing contractors in Little Rock, Arkansas. And it doesn't get every email, obviously, but you know, depending on the niche and the city, of course, you'll get a good amount of emails. You get the category, the business name, the address, the city, the state, phone number in every one, the website in most of them, and you will get the map link, details link of their Yellow Page site, and the emails. So far it has gotten 33 items, and it's still going. We are going to stop from getting data, and we're going to show you how to export it. So you have to select all, export data. CSV file is the best way. You can call it whatever you want. and save it where you can remember it. So it will be in a CSV file. And all you have to do is open that file and filter out what you want. If you want to email the individuals, then you would click on this column and filter out only listings with emails. As you can see, it's about a third or so. If you get the emails, you've got the website. Of course, you're going to have phone numbers for all of them. So in calling your leads, that will always be there. So when you export them into a CSV file, you can filter them any way you'd like. You can take this exact list and import it into a software that I use, and we will get to that later, to email all these leads here and invite them into your program to send them new customers. So this is a good software to get started. It works pretty fast. You can only do one city at a time. Power Leads Pro X, you can now, I believe it gets up to 2,000 leads in one search. You can search multiple cities and multiple states, and it sends the emails out and tracks it. It does a lot more, but to start out, this is a good basic software. There's also Yellowbot, and there's other scrapers out there that people sell. This just happens to be the one that I have used off and on, and it's a good way to get started. So that's really all you need, and you can go through any niche in any city that you want. The link for this software and the other scrapers that I use will be in the resources area. So that is how we get our leads to contact for lead generation.